Hey friends, if you wish to control fan speed on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video and I will guide you through the resolutions. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. For the current power plan, click on change plan settings. Click on change advanced power settings. Expand the list for power processor management. Expand the minimum power state and the maximum power state. Okay, for this maximum power state I prefer to keep it at 100, but if you reduce it, it will reduce the fan speed as well. And the same goes for minimum power state. If you increase it, then it will increase the minimum power state fan speed. Click on apply and then on OK, and then you can save the changes and cancel it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.